In front of us, we have the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds, and I'll be showing you how to reset the earbuds. So some of the reasons why you might want to reset the earbuds is if it's trying to connect to other devices that you no longer have. So it'll clear the Bluetooth device memory that's on the buds themselves. If you're also having just connecting issues to connect up to the earbuds, you can go ahead and follow this. We're going to use this button on the back here that's used for pairing, put the device into pairing, and it's also used to reset the buds. So we can go ahead and open the case. And as we can see, we're blinking white here. We were previously connected to another device, and so it's looking for that device. So what we're going to do is press and hold the Bluetooth button until we're going to get 2 white blinks. So it's going to start blinking blue to go into pairing mode, and we're going to continue holding that. So this should be about 15 seconds or so. So we're still blinking blue here, that it's in Bluetooth. There we go. We got that those white blinks that just happened there in quick succession. So the buds have been cleared and reset. So now it won't have any memory of previously connected devices, and you should be able to connect it up no problem to whatever device that you're connecting to.
Oh, hey Joe, what are you doing in there?
Trying to fix my headphones to save some money.
That sure is a strange way to save money. Why don't you try switching to our channel partner, Mint Mobile, instead? They have the largest 5G network in the nation.
Is that the breath mints company?
No, I mean, it's not minty fresh like that, but they can save you a bunch of money. Their plans start at just $15 a month. How much do you pay?
I pay $80.
Dude, that's insane. It only takes like 15 minutes to switch over. You could save so much money. You could get yourself a new office. You can fix your headphones up right.
Sounds good. I'm gonna switch right now. You should switch too. Check out the link in our description.
All right, well, check it out, Joe. Have a good one.